Home Depot Labor Day last minute deals right here, right now. Amazing deal right now, $139, get the battery for free, totally worth it. If you're in this battery system, this is the must buy at Home Depot right now. As I walk my local Home Depot looking for the best deals for you, I'm not really finding a lot of yellow tags that I've been impressed with. What I am finding is a lot of yellow tags on consumables. Check this out, $5.10 for the high visibility construction gloves with a bit of grip on there for $5.10 was $5.47, and you see that for this two sets here now $8.40 was $8.87. You got the high visibility leather palm gloves, and as we keep moving this way we see more consumables on sale. While that's great and all, it really isn't a major deals on tools, which is what a lot of people want to see. But those of you needing consumables, come check out Home Depot. They are having some great deals on, here you go, extreme work gloves, $21 was $22. So you're going to save $1 here or there as they drop pricing on that. Now here, $20 for the 5-arm sleeves at 16-inch length in the dark color from Milwaukee, or the 18-inch cut 5-arm sleeves, $20 was $21.57. Then you up here, you've got the red ones, but those are only 3 a piece, 16-inch length, 18-inch length. The 16 is $15.97, and the 18 is also $15.97. Almost want to get the 18-inch just because you get a little more material, but you got to make sure they fit, guys. Now, as we move over through the consumables, here you've got the bifocal glasses, $11. So interesting, because those are safety glasses, and being bifocal would be much more expensive, but they probably aren't selling well. So check those out at your local Home Depot. $14 for the full view mirror eyewear right there, maximum safety, 1 pair. Right over here, $20 for the 10 pocket small or medium high visibility vest. We've got more vests on sale here. You've got $28 was $29 for the 2 surveyor's vests, and $15 for the high visibility short sleeve shirt, $17 for the long sleeve shirt, also high visibility. And a lot of these consumables are on yellow tag, like I mentioned, but when you start looking at the tools, which is what we like to talk about here on the channel, I'm really not seeing that. It's somewhat concerning seeing that Lowe's has some deals going on even with their home brands. While these are not on sale, I'm still going to show them because I've been dreaming about them and I want them really bad. These are the 8-piece gear wrench, flexible head, ratcheting wrenches. I really want these. These are 90 tooth. And while these are SAE, I want the metric ones, which are right here. $83.97. If you want those, I really want to wait till they go down in price. Hopefully I could get them on sale, or if you can get them off a truck, if you work as a mechanic, and see if they can even get close to that pricing, it would be worth it. Here we have some budget items on sale. You've got the Avanti, $24.97 was $41.97. The 2-pack 10-inch 60-tooth fine finish saw blade, or you can get for $34.97 the 2-pack 12-inch 80-tooth fine finishing saw blade on sale right there. Right next to it is the Empire, your choice, 9-inch magnetic torpedo level, or the 7-inch true blue laser etched rafter square. And next to that is the 3-foot 1,000 feet of yellow caution tape. I have used the torpedo levels before from Empire. They seem to work perfectly fine. I mean, I am not doing as precision cuts as some of you perhaps. So for me, Empire does perfect. So if you're a DIYer, no reason to skip out on that one. Diablo is always looking good here. $8.97 for the 2-pack of 9-inch pruning and fast clean wood cutting carbide reciprocating saw. Right here for $11.97, the 2-pack 12-inch pruning and fast clean wood cutting carbide reciprocating saw is on sale as well. They got more than a few right there. $9.97 gets you the exclusive 7¼ inch 24-tooth framing saw blade, or for $14.97 you get the 7¼ inch 40-tooth finish plywood saw blade, or for $19.97 you have the 7¼ 60-tooth ultra finish saw blade from Diablo. Diablo proceeds with their sales with your choice of items for $14.97. an exclusive 4.5-inch diamond turbo masonry blade or 4.5-inch diamond segmented masonry blade. You also have a choice for $29.97, the 7-inch diamond turbo masonry blade or the 7-inch diamond segmented masonry blade. After hunting quite a bit, we finally get into some Milwaukee yellow tags. They aren't that awesome though, but they may work for you. $19.97 was $26.97 for the Shockwave 45-piece impact bit set. This is the 50-piece set, so it's not this one. That one is $29.97, so you can see that the savings may be interesting. Now here we have a few other items for $229. You get the 18-volt brushless hammer drill and impact kit with the soft bag. That looks like a decent deal for $229. For $199, you get the rigid 18-volt brushless half-inch hammer drill kit, which again seems to be the standing price. Now this was $229 on regular price, but $199 seems to be the price that we've been catching it at. $99 was $129. It has the rigid 18-volt half-inch drill driver kit. Again, a Home Depot exclusive. Got quite a few of those right here. They're not flying off the shelves. Now, while not a yellow tag sale or any deep sale of that type, you do have this, and I am interested. This would be something that if you're in this battery platform would be a must buy. For $169 was a $277 value. You get the 18-volt 2-amp-hour battery and the 4-amp-hour battery, the max output starter kit, that's what it's called, for $169. When you buy that, you get your choice of any of these tools. You got the 18-volt brushless half-inch high torque hammer drill right there, or the 18-volt 4-mode quarter impact driver, or the 18-volt subcompact brushless 6.5-inch circular saw, or the 18-volt brushless reciprocating saw. Right next to that, you got the 18-volt oscillating multi-tool, or the 18-volt subcompact brushless one-handed reciprocating saw. Pretty good deal. You buy these batteries for $169, you get to pick any of those. I would say that's probably a decent buy if there's no yellow tags. So along the lines of getting something for free, if you buy something, check out dewalt's offering. Buy one of these and you get this free 20-volt max power stack compact battery starter kit, a $159 value. That is a great battery. I actually own it and have been really happy with it. Here you go. You can buy for $149 the exclusive atomic 20-volt compact quarter-inch impact, or the $179 20-volt max XR screw gun, $179 20-volt max XR cutout tool, or the $179 20-volt max XR compact half-inch hammer drill. And I'm going to tell you about that actually being a little cheaper than what is shown here. Right next to that, $179 20-volt max XR 3-inch cutoff tool, I'm sorry. Right next to that, for $199, you got the atomic 20-volt max 3/8 ratchet. And next to that, the interesting buy is the $219 exclusive atomic 20-volt max cordless 3/8 impact wrench. Now, before I show you the cool deal on the $179 20-volt max XR half-inch hammer drill, let me show you these few other deals. $299 for the 20-volt max power stack 5-amp-hour battery kit right there. Now, you don't get anything free when you get these, okay? That's divided over here. $299 atomic 20-volt max impact wrench and the ratchet for $299. That's a great deal. $19.97 for the max fit right angle magnetic holder. I love that thing. I have it. I use it all the time. $19.97 for the 3-piece steel countersink set. I use them for more than steel. Countersinks are awesome for wood as well. I promised you that I'd show you how to get it cheaper, and check it out. Yellow tag, finally some yellow tags. DeWalt 20-volt XR brushless hammer drill was $179, now $139. If you buy this, you're probably gonna get the battery as well for free, right? So amazing deal right now, $139, get the battery for free, totally worth it. If you're in this battery system, this is the must buy at Home Depot right now. Another amazing yellow tag deal right here for $196. You get the Ryobi 1 plus HP Compact 4 tool combo kit, was $279. I think that is a decent price drop. If you are in the Ryobi Link system and you are looking for some tools as a starter or just getting into tools, that is not a bad purchase. You come right down here. This is the tools you get. You get the drill, the 1/4-inch impact, the cutoff tool, and the one-handed saw. That's amazing. I think for that price, if you were gonna buy Ryobi anyways, and you're just a do-it-yourself or weekend warrior, that may be worth it to you. Many of you know that one of my choices in a budget modular toolkit system is Rigid. I recommend it quite often, and for $34.98, even though it's not on yellow tag, is still a decent price for the 22-inch clear lid Pro Organizer. Check it out, very nice, totally worth it if you're in that system. $79.97 for the cooler right here. Check this out. You know, the red team has a cooler as well, and so do the other teams, and they are much more expensive than this. This has the moisture barrier right up here, and look at that. It looks like it's very well built. It says that it's a 27 quart or 24.9 liter unit, so very nice. I really like Rigid and their modular toolbox system. Right over here, you can see that the whole kit system together and their pricing. Let's get you low enough to see it. So for $39.97, you get the 2.0 Pro Gear System power tool case. For $89.97, you get the all-terrain rolling cart, and $49.97 gets you the modular toolbox storage, so the medium-sized toolbox. The recent star to the modular toolbox system has been the Husky build out. Now, many of you have seen videos on this, and some of you have even taken notes about my videos when I've talked about this system. I've always recommended Rigid as the budget-friendly buy, but Husky is trying to take that crown. $29.98 for the build-out small box, $79.98 for the build-out cart with wheels, $44.98 for the medium toolbox. A very smart buy if you're looking for a budget-friendly modular toolbox system. No, they don't have drawers yet, and Rigid is probably going to come out with the drawers first since they've been out longer, but it's just a matter of time. Now let's go ahead and look inside the box a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and open it right up, and as you can see, you have the moisture barrier right around there. That makes it really nice. You also have all these little holes in here, which gives you a chance to stack things in there with accessories. I'm sure they're coming out soon, and if they don't come out, I'm more than sure that the 3D printing community is gonna be happy to fill that out for you. So the other thing that I notice is, unlike Milwaukee, they don't have any dividers or anything like that, which may be a good thing or a bad thing. Here's the thing about Milwaukee that really makes you frustrated about them, at least it does to me. The bottom of the Milwaukee modular toolbox system has all kinds of ridges and bumps and all kinds of stuff. This is flat, which allows you to easily design something to fit in here, maybe some foam or something else, and you're not losing an inch or less of space that could be used. Other modular tool systems should take note that we want a flat bottom as much as possible so that you can use the total amount of the toolbox. The Link system came out with drawers, guys. Here we go, $139 for their 3-drawer system. Very similar to Milwaukee's, but it's not as well built as Milwaukee's. I'll tell you that right now. Look at that, I just got stuck. Now I gotta go in here and play with that to get it in there. If it broke in the store, it's gonna break at home. Not very smartly built there. It does have some type of lock system in the front there. I'm not a fan of the Ryobi Link system. I know it's cool, and if you're into it, I'm happy for you, and I think you're doing well with it. But if you haven't bought it yet, and you're really considering what to get, the build out or the Rigid is probably your smartest choice. And if you want to spend a little more money, you can look at the dewalt 2.0 system, and or at that price range, you might as well move up to the Milwaukee pack-out system. The dewalt Tough System 2.0 may not be the darling when talking about the modular toolbox systems, but there is something that they did that is a secret weapon, and if you don't know about this, you're missing out. Check this out. Not only did they come out with drawers, which is very smart, they don't have a 3-drawer or different configurations, which I would say is an ouch. And if they do, it's online because they're not here, okay? So those of you that are gonna catch me and say, yes, they do, it's here, please go ahead and let me know in the comments and we'll find them online. But here's the secret weapon. $24.97 for the adapter plate for the Tough System 2.0. That adapter plate allows you to take it from the 2.0 to the T-stack system. That is smart. Everybody should learn this. As a matter of fact, you 3D printer guys should start making a plate like this that takes the Milwaukee Packout system to the tough system, to the rigid system, to the build out, to whatever system is out there. This is an intelligent idea, and I think it's a winner. If you are thinking of getting into the dewalt Tough System 2.0 and were previously in the T-stack system, this makes it an automatic buy. There you go. I would absolutely do that before going into the Milwaukee Packout system if you're already invested here. For those of you who love Makita on my channel, I'm sorry, there are no yellow tags. There are no sale prices on Makita right now for this holiday. I don't know what's going on, guys, but this holiday seems really weak at the Home Depot. Milwaukee has just a few yellow tags, and even at $159 for this kit right here, that with the brushless driver and the impact, that isn't a killer deal by any means. All right, guys, that's what I got to show. Not amazing deals, but it is what's available at my local Home Depot. I hope you have better luck or better fortune at your local Home Depot.